The best ways to use email marketing. Almost anyone who has an email address has probably received some form of email marketing. Email marketing is a way that businesses can market to existing customers, as well as reach new customers, by email. Continue on for some great email marketing tips. Provide exclusive content in your marketing emails. By providing those on your mailing list with information not available on your site, your customers are more likely to read each message, and begin looking forward to them. Your customers will feel special and appreciated when they receive relevant information in your emails. Ask your customers for feedback on your emails. Since your customers are the most important part of your campaign, it is important to know if they are pleased with the emails they receive from you. You could ask them to fill out a short survey with a few questions on what they like and what they dislike. Make sure that you get permission from customers or potential customers before sending out your emails. If people do not want to get emails from you, they could mark your emails as spam or even ignore you altogether. There is even a chance that your email service could take you out of their system. Even though it should be obvious, it is important enough to state over and over, never send unsolicited emails. You should have explicit permission from everyone you send marketing emails to. This is about more than trying not to upset them. A recipient who considers your email spam can cause trouble for you with your service provider. When you are having your customers provide their email address to you during the sign-up process, make sure that you have the clear disclaimer visible that you will be undertaking email marketing campaigns. Try to give the consumer an indication of how often you intend to make use of their addresses so that they are not unaware. Maximize the results of your email marketing by encouraging your readers to respond to every email. Always read and reply to these emails immediately. Building a personal relationship with each of your readers is the best way to convert them into loyal customers. This is also a good way to get more specific feedback on the success of your efforts. If you want your email marketing messages to flow out across the internet to people's inboxes, consider where you are sending them from. Sent frequently from known and stable IP addresses is best. Sudden surges from new IP locations can raise suspicions and even result in blocks and blacklists from ISPs. Make sure your emails are consistent with any branding you have done. You should be including your company colors, logos, and anything else unique to your business in your emails. Customers should be able to recognize your emails when they arrive in their inboxes so that they are not automatically deleted. Email marketing is a practice so common that nearly everyone has seen it before. It can help businesses market, using just simple emails. It can work very well as a marketing strategy if utilized right, and that can be easily done by using the advice given to you in this video. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.